Welcome back, GeoSnappers! In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use animated symbology in the ArcGIS Online Map Viewer. I've gone ahead and pulled up one of my web maps. For this example, we'll be looking at an active transportation dataset. On the legend, you can see that we currently have a few related point layers: advisories, closures, and connections. One way we can draw attention to a specific key feature is by using animated symbology. To get started, we need to select the layer that we want to change the symbology of. From the Styles button on the Settings toolbar, you will need to open up the style options. I'll go ahead and select to change the symbol for my closure features. This brings up the Symbol Styles pane. Here we can see that the current symbol is a basic point, and we have the option to change its size, rotation, and color. To animate this symbol, we will have to change the current symbol type. Under the vector symbols, we are going to select Animated. This brings us to the Animated Symbol Gallery. Hovering your mouse over a symbol will allow you to see what type of animation the symbol has. Click on a symbol to see it applied to your features on the map. At the bottom, you will see there are even animated symbols for specific features like fire stations and hospitals. For this example, I will choose the roadblock color change symbol. When we head back to the Symbol Style pane, you can see that we can make the same customizations to symbol size, rotation, and color. Now that we are working with an animated symbol, you will also see an animation option down at the bottom. Here you will have the option for additional customizations, which allow you to control new animation properties like scale, transparency, offset, color, and rotation. And that's all there is to it. Now you're ready to go off and start implementing animated symbology within your own web maps.